to my vlog, and today, karon guys, so, mag-ano sa bula. Ito, una ko na dara. Ayun, pag maana siya, maana. Okay, guys. Atong golf na bulat. Kita ka siya? So here, ball. So let's go mush it up. So it's color pink, reddish something. And let's go make some spaghetti. Or someone is ordering a spaghetti. So let's color of it. Last time, but no.
Baba, it's so cool.
So let's go. We're going to put the clay here. Di ka ganahan na. How do you know it? Makita lang ng pagminti.
Tayo mo makakita.
Wala na may klase.
Wala mo kung may klase.
Ha?
Kung ay pa klase.
Ano din na ang natin?
Last month, na may klase last.
Di ba ang
Last month.
sound?
Gani na, nabitaw na last month.
So here, oh my gosh, guys, the idea. So yan, we're here. So we're not going to make spaghetti, but we're going to design her hair. So guys, comment down below. Take a number for 1 to 5. So I chose 3 to make it not really that long. So yeah. So that's already 2 guys. So yan guys. 3. Yan. 3 na nga. So ngayon guys, let's go design her hair. So first, this one, this heart, green apple, here is the heart. Bak man siya guys. Kanina lang tangdag ko guys. Okay boring. So kano daw? Try to stay alam lang na yun. Baril sa yan guys. Yeah. Guys, nag-overflow siya. Yeah. So, yan. So, yan. So, yeah. Stretch test. So, it moves like in the wall. Cabinet. Magbabounce siya. Magbabounce siya. Diba? Simple dimple. Puppet squeeze. Puppet squeeze. Puppet squeeze. Kusya. Kusya sa kusya. Uy! Ano siya? So, ito na tagay.